Hello and welcome back to another video. After my last stamping video that was an absolute disaster and a nail fail, I decided to try again. So I got some plates from Born Pretty. Here they are. I'm going to be swatching some of those for you today. This will be part one of this video because I didn't get to do all of the plates, but I will do the other two that I missed in the next video. I'm not going to swatch every image on the plates, just one or two, and then I'll show you the ones that I like the best at the end. As you know, I'm new to this, so I can't be doing every single one. It'll take me days to do that. Okay, so I'll get straight into it. This first one is a little round one and it's BP73. As you can see, it's got some gorgeous rose pictures on it, which is why I got it. I really wanted a rose design. So that's the one that I'm going to try first with my lovely clear jelly stamper. Here it is again. I love this so much. I have been practicing a lot with it. I'm getting better, I'm not brilliant yet, as you'll see. So yeah, I'll just take that bottom bit off, I don't need that. And then I'm going to go in with the black stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper 001. And I think this image will go best with the neon pink pop stick that I've got, so there's just some neon pink gel polish on there. I have wiped the sticky layer off. I've tried it with the sticky layer on and I just find it easier if I wipe it off, so that's what I've done. So I'm trying to gently pick it up, and I did just press straight down on that one, and it's picked up brilliant. I can't see any bits that aren't on there. That's really good. I think that's the best stamp I've ever done. And there we go. Yeah, that looks amazing. I love that. I can't believe it's the first swatch I've done off the first plate and I love it. Okay, so on to the next plate. This is a bigger one, BPL061, I think that is. I will put descriptions and links and everything in the description box so you can see which plates they are. So I'll just take that one out, and I've already had a bit of a play with this one, so there, as you can see, it's like an illusion plate. I really like the like some of the images look a bit like water marbling, so that's what drew me to this one. So I'm just going to use the black polish first, see if I can pick that image up. So let's see if I can get it on the nail. I think I'm going to use the same pink that I just used for the flower and see what kind of effect that has. Just not sure which way to actually put it on. At least you can see what you're doing using the clear jelly stamper. It's a lot better when I can decide where to put it. And there we go. I don't like it as much as the flower, but I do like it. I think that will be really good if you use, say, an ombre of a few different colours underneath it. That would really make it pop, I think. Yeah, I like that. So I'll put them both together now so you can see what they both look like. Yeah, I definitely prefer the rose. I love that, I really do. I'm going to try some silver polish this time. I seem to have more success with the black polish, I think, but I do really love the colour of the silver one. So it seems to have gone on the plate okay. Let's just see if I can pick it up. I don't know if it's all there. I don't think that's all there. Or maybe it's just a plate, I'm not sure. Probably me. I'll put it on anyway. So this is like a very dark purpley colour. It's a metallic. It does really go nice with the silver, but I'm not really sure about that image at all. Don't think I've picked that up properly. So here are all three together. So the silver does go very well with the dark purple, I think, but I still like that rose one. So on to the next plate now. I think that's BPLO66. I can't really see properly because they've put the sticker right where you rip it open, but I will put it in the description box for you. So I just need to take this blue plastic off. And then this one has got a lot of flowers again, and leaves and patterns like that, and roses, but I wanted to try a smaller one. So as you can see at the bottom, there are like standalone images, so I think I'm going to choose one of those. So I've got the black again. Try it with black this time, see what happens. I think the difference between the black and the silver, the black is a lot thicker. See if I can pick that up. And yeah, I think that's all there. It's a lot more intricate, this design. It's a lot finer, I'd say. So I'm not sure, obviously I'd have to put something else on the nail as well, because it's not going to fill it all. So if I just put that in one corner, I can then fit something else on the other side, I think. Yeah, so I'll not put it right in the middle. Put it like down at the bottom. That's it. And the black over that neon pink as well, it is really nice. I do like that. It's a lot finer, the image. The lines are a lot finer. So I think maybe that might go better under a much lighter colour, like a nude colour or a very light pink. Not something so dramatic as the neon pink. I do like that. It's all there. So I need to pick something to go with it now. And there's a few images over on the right hand side. I've seen a little bird that I'd like to use. So I'm using the black. I'm just trying to pick that up, and its tail's not there. But I think, looking at the plate, I think that was me. I don't think I actually scraped the polish over its tail. So obviously it's not going to be there. But I didn't really like the black, so I thought I'd go with silver this time. See if I can get it to work now. Make sure that its tail's covered. Let's see. Yeah, it's all there this time. There's a bit extra that I didn't want on, but I'll just clean that up after. So I'll try and position this bird. It's a bit bigger than I thought it would be on the nail. I thought it'd be smaller than that. I'll just put it there on the top. See how the silver goes on the pink? Oh, that's nice. It is quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. Oh no, that's nice. So on to the next plate. This next one is BPL071. Okay, so this one, lots of nice leaf patterns there. So I'm going to choose an image off this plate. Silver again I'm going to use. Try and get that on my stamper. Oh, I don't think it's all there. No, it's not completely all there. That's a shame, because that really is nice. But I'm going to put it on the pop stick anyway, just so you can see. So I've got this really dark purple again. It's like a mix between dark purple and navy blue. That's really nice. And that silver goes so well with it. Oh, I do like that image. That's really nice. If that was all there, that would be brilliant. So I'll maybe just wipe that off and do it again. Yeah, because I like that. So I've wiped it off, and I'm just going to do it again. So I'm going to put them all together now so you can see. I'm trying a flick of the wrist this time. Oh, and that worked. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's all there now. See, I'm getting the hang of it slowly, but it's working. And that is much better than last time. There we go. Yeah, that is really nice. So there's the rose and the silver and purple one, and the one with the intricate flower and the little bird. And my favourite is still the rose. What do you think? So I've had a lot of fun doing this video and practicing with these plates and my clear jelly stamper. I love it, and I'm learning, but I'm getting better every day. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.